practice of Ujjayi is very close to my heart. It has been a constant companion to all my yoga postures. The sound of Ujjayi is very soothing, like the swift rising and falling of waves in an ocean. You know how when we are sitting in front of the ocean, we are at so much calm, we are at so much peace. If we are able to gain experience in Ujjayi breathing, we will be able to experience the same calm. It is a very internalizing, very grounding practice, so it goes well with meditation as well. In Ujjayi breathing, we have to constrict the windpipe and inhale and exhale. For beginners, it might be a little difficult to understand. It might be a little difficult to do that, and that's okay. You will practice and learn. You'll practice and learn. So I'll just try to make it a little simpler with this example. So just imagine that you are holding a glass in front of you, a water glass in front of you, or any kind of glass, and you're trying to fog it. Okay, so how do you fog a glass? Something like all right, and when you do that, the glass gets all foggy, right? So try doing that. So just hold a glass. You can actually hold a glass and try to fog it. All right, now we have to do the same thing, trying to fog the glass with our lips pursed, with our mouth closed. So how it goes? All right, did you get that? Try that. So try to fog the glass with your mouth closed. Alright, so if you are doing it right, you will feel a certain friction in your windpipe, certain friction in your throat, and that is how Ujjayi is practiced. Alright, so we'll just practice fogging the glass for a while and then we will move on to our practice. So you can hold your palm in front of you and just bring it in front of your face, and let us do this 5 times, fogging the glass with the mouth closed. I hope you got that, but if not, that's again absolutely fine. You can practice fogging the glass with your mouth open. So that will give you an idea of how to constrict your epiglottis, how to constrict your windpipe and inhale and exhale. Now before we begin practicing Ujjayi, it is important to understand who should not practice this pranayama. Ujjayi should not be practiced if you have severe back pain or constipation. Pregnant women or women who are menstruating should not practice Ujjayi as it can increase the heat of the body. If you are tired or anxious or panic, then you should avoid Ujjayi. In those cases, you can practice Anulom Vilom or Bhramari. And lastly, beginners should not practice Ujjayi for more than 3 minutes. After you gain certain expertise, then you can increase your duration. Now just remember that you have to do a little constriction of the throat so that some friction is generated. Don't put too much pressure, don't strain the throat so much. It is not the right way to do it. Constriction has to be of the glottis, which is a part of your larynx. So we will start practicing our Ujjayi breath. Before that, we will fix our posture. So cup shaped fingers, lift tall from the spine, shoulders broad and relaxed, neck long, face soft. Now maintaining this posture, place your palms on the knees and let's start practicing for 5 breaths first. You can close your eyes for this one or you can keep it open. Normal breaths after 5 rounds. Breathe into your body. Access your mental state. And slowly open your eyes. I hope you were able to feel some friction there, and even if you're not, that's absolutely fine. You can keep practicing the glass and the fog with the mouth open or with the mouth closed, whichever is accessible to you. Alright, let us practice Ujjayi for 10 more counts. Normal breathing after 10 counts. Breathe into your whole body. Let your abdomen expand with the breath and contract with exhalation. Breathe in deeply, breathe in fully, and gently open your eyes. For people having under or overperforming thyroid, called as hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism respectively, Ujjayi helps in balancing and stimulating the hormone secretion. So this is one of the best breathing exercises recommended for the thyroid problem. Ujjayi provides relief in migraines, headaches, colds, sinuses. It brings a lot of mental clarity and improves the concentration of the mind. Ujjayi calms the mind down, and this helps in getting good sleep as well.